I bet we all know that there are plenty of ways to take screenshot on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but this one is still my favorite. It's fast, fun, and doesn't need any button presses. I'm talking about palm swipe to capture, a classic feature that just works. Let me show you how to turn it on and why it's still worth using. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap motion and gestures. In this menu, look for palm swipe to capture and toggle it on. To see the result, go to any screen you want to capture. Place the edge of your palm on one side of the screen and swipe across from right to left or left to right. And then you will see the screen flash and hear that familiar screenshot sound. The screenshot will be saved instantly and you can find it in the gallery or notification bar. Yes, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has tons of screenshot options, but palm swipe still feels the most satisfying. No buttons, no delay, just one smooth motion and you've got your shot. It's an old feature, but still one of the best. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.